Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Happy holidays. Tony here. So today we're headed out to Buescher State Park. It's in Smith Vill. So it's fairly close to where I am, to Austin, about an hour's ride. So we're gonna go check it out. Come along. Hello, how are you?
Good, how's yourself?
I'm good. I do have a day pass for today.
Okay.
All right, so we're here in the park. Campsites, recreation. It's a really, this is just beautiful. I'm really pleased that we have a park this close that we could enjoy. I had to turn off my GPS. It was yapping at me. But anyways, this is gorgeous for an entrance to a park. Yeah, again, this is another park that I've really been wanting to come out here, along with the Bastrop one, because I know the Bastrop is really, it's got a beautiful foresty kind of look to it, feel to it. So, yeah, definitely. Group picnic area. Well, we might as well check that out. Well, this is nice. We get dirt roads instead of paved roads. We have to be careful because I know that it can be quite muddy. It just rained, so this is nice. It's a nice little picnic area. Screen shelters. Okay, so these are like cabins, I guess. Looks like they got some mountain biking around here. We'll go ahead and check out the screen shelters. So again, some more picnic areas. So that's nice. Interesting. A lot better than some of those other screen shelters that we've seen. So basically just what they call it, a screen shelter. Right here on the lake, that's nice. Yeah, I can imagine this place is bustling during the summertime. Cool. But yeah, today we didn't bring anything to do a picnic with, so we weren't planning on being out here all day, being it so close. Recreational hall, camping areas, hiking trails, park road, amphitheater. That's an interesting building. Yeah, the residence. Yeah, I can imagine a lot of mountain bikers come here, and they probably take that road that goes to the Buescher State Park. It's been on my list to take that road. It's a 10-mile road. Closed. Looks like, yeah, that's the amphitheater. It's definitely a cool park. I mean, it's a lot more foresty than some of those last couple ones we've been to. Okay, so those are walk-in sites. A lot of stuff is closed, whether it's for maintenance or just. So the Lakeview camping area is closed. That looks like a nice spot there. It's probably most likely because it's oh, it is open, so we might check that out. We'll go ahead and look at the rest of the park before we head down that way. Yeah, I didn't put my riding boots on today, so I don't know if I want to go slushing around in the mud and ruin my brand new hiking boots. I mainly got those so that when I go on a trip and I'm camping, I have some boots to wear besides my riding boots. And for some reason, I decided not to wear my riding boots today. Go figure. Guess I want to try out the new hiking boots. Well, it is a nice ride through the park. It's too bad that we'll stop and check on the map. It's too bad that those sites over there are closed, because those look like really nice sites over there. Again, a very accessible park from Austin, so I can, looks like 10 sites right there. Camping area. We'll check out this. Mini cabins. Let's check out this area. Yeah, so that's a campsite right there. Bathrooms, parking. Looks like there's some trails down that way. There's another campsite right here. That's nice. Yeah, it's the park host. Those are a couple, that's a nice one right there for sure. All these are really nice. It's a little wet for now, but yeah, I'm digging these for sure. That's one of the cabins, I guess. I like the way that you got the nice pad to park, and then you got your table and tent site. Mini campgrounds. That was the bathroom that we just came through. These are all reserved. Oh, this is cool. I'm really stoked with this cabin, mini cabins. Those are nice. They're right on the water. No, that's a cabin I could see doing. These are all really nice. Absolutely. All right, so that's that loop. Let's stop and take a look at the map and see what where we're at and what we just looked at. That's the loop we just did right there. That's the road. So we came here, that was the road. This is the one that was closed. We didn't really check that out unless that's that picnic area. But no, that's probably the picnic area was back down here, because it was along the water. So we hadn't checked this one out, which we'll probably have to go back and check out. This one was closed, and then that was the other one that, the one we just looked at. Trailheads looks like. Yeah, I'm really digging this park. I'll definitely come camp out here. Okay, so Cozy Circle camping area, that's the other camp area, but it's closed right now. It looks nice though. I'm assuming it's just closed just for keeping the traffic down here at this time of year. Probably summertime it'll be open again. But I might get the skinny off the Ranger here. We're gonna go ahead and ask her if we can make it through that road there. So the recreational hall. Nice cabin. Yeah, trailhead right there. All right, well, we'll go ahead and check this out and see what this ride's about. 11-mile ride. We'll just scenic drive. Very cool. Yeah, there's probably a lot of hikers and stuff on this, so we don't want to be obtrusive to them. You can just smell it. You can smell the pine. Really nice. It's my understanding too, there's quite a few dirt roads that come off of this to explore, so I'll have to put this on my list for another day. Maybe come out here with Marcos and we'll check it out. Not sure what that was. Possibly a private residence. I know there's a few of those off here. So if I'm not mistaken, this road takes you back to the highway. It's another entrance, I guess. We'll try this though. Let's see where this takes us. We got plenty of gas. It's like a scenic overlook of sorts. Cool. Very cool. So there's a trailhead up here. Of course, that's going to be a popular spot. Very nice. Yeah, it's very nice out here. This is a cool little ride. Good thing is that you need to have a park pass to come in here and take this, so there's not really going to be a lot of people out here except people that are on the park. All right, well, there you go. We're going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed that little mini tour of Buescher State Park and the connecting road between Buescher State Park. It's a small park and it's a small, area, but we thought we'd check it out and check it out for future camping. And I think we're going to definitely come out here and camp at both these parks because they're really accessible. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That helps the channel grow. Subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. We're going somewhere. We're always going somewhere. We're doing something. Adios.